In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive emails in Outlook. Archiving is a quick way to clear clutter without deleting anything important. When you archive a message, it leaves your inbox and moves to a dedicated archive folder, so you can find it later without digging through a crowded inbox. This is perfect for messages you've finished with but still want to keep. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Outlook and look for the official Microsoft Outlook mail result. Click that to open Outlook on the web. If you're asked to sign in, do so securely and wait for your mailbox to load. You should land in your inbox, where you'll see your list of emails down the center of the screen. Give the page a moment to fully load so all menu options are available. Next, decide which email you want to archive. Maybe it's a newsletter you've already read, a confirmation you don't need right now, or a thread that's wrapped up. In the message list, place your cursor over that email. Right-click on it to open the context menu. If you're using a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way. This menu gives you quick actions for that specific message, and it's the fastest route to archiving without opening the email first. In the context menu that appears, click Archive. The moment you choose Archive, the message will disappear from your inbox. Don't worry, that's exactly what should happen. Outlook has simply moved it to your archive folder, keeping it safe and searchable. You can confirm this by looking at the folder list on the left side of your screen and opening Archive. Your message should be there, organized and out of your main inbox. If you ever change your mind, you can open the message from Archive and move it back to your inbox using the standard Move options. A couple of helpful reminders as you work: archiving does not delete your email, and it doesn't mark it as spam. It's a light, reversible way to tidy up. You can still find archive messages with the search bar at the top. Just type in a keyword, sender, or subject, and Outlook will include results from your archive folder. Building a habit of archiving messages you're done with keeps your inbox focused on what needs attention right now. That's all there is to it. Open Outlook, locate the message, right-click, and select Archive. Repeat this anytime you want to keep your inbox clean while preserving your important emails. Thanks for watching and happy archiving.